Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today for English Grammar Grade 2, I am here with the topic of use of was and were in your sentences. Is, am and are shows your present time. This is what we have learned in our previous video. So now was and were shows past time, what you've done before the present. We use was for a singular noun or a pronoun. We will learn about the ways to use was or were in sentences. So here are some examples of was. Preeti was absent yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. She was ill. Now let's see the examples of were. You were not at home last evening. Krishna and Sudama were very good friends. They were celebrating Mohit's birthday on Monday. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with was or were. I dashed late for school yesterday. I was late for school yesterday. My parents were happy with my result. Children of olden days was simple. We were happy to meet our aunt after a long time. They were in trouble. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.